When we left you, we were in Cedar Creek, Anchorage in North Carolina. This video, we're headed to the Atlantic Ocean. We're going from the red dot at top at Cedar Creek to Morehead City Yacht Basin Marina, the purple dot there on the coast. We left that morning at sunrise. It was the first travel day that we had started at sunrise, so that's the only picture we have of shooting star at sunrise. And the reason we wanted to leave so early is because we wanted to get into the marina by noon at the latest, because that's when winds were going to start building, and a gale warning was actually going to go into effect at 6 p.m. that night. So our goal was to be in a slip by 11, but noon at the latest. And that's where we begin this video.
What time you got? Oh, we're ahead of schedule. Forward. Bump hard. There, we're free. Kinda. Okay. That it is.
In addition to the very cold temperatures, and we were trying to beat a gale warning, our Garmin Glow stopped working, which meant we lost our GPS, which meant we lost our Navionics charting as well as our Aquamaps charting. For some reason, our depth finder also quit. That's what aces are working on here now, but it was definitely a shit show there for a minute.
Well, I'm hoping that will come on. But that's all I got for you.
Going into an anchorage or leaving an anchorage is when we are the most concerned about depth. There can be uncharted shoaling that you can run aground on. Plus the anchorages are typically more shallow. That's why we pull off of the ICW and anchor in shallower water. And to lose the depth finder at this point was not good. We were in 5.5 feet of water. We only draw 4.2, but it was a concern. We do have a backup depth finder, and with the sun directly behind us, I was able to see that until the Garmin depth finder right at the helm did become functional again.
I don't trust that one. There we go.
And there's your red marker.
I got it.
Okay. Crazy.
I think it got down to 35 last night, 34. These houses are right on the edge, man. And we had an interesting kerfuffle with our all of our instruments today. They all quit at the same time, even the ones that weren't paired with Glow, with our Garmin Glow. So it was pretty weird. But they all came back online and we're all okay. Anything you want to say about last night's anchorage, Jim?
No wind.
No wind.
It's quiet.
Yeah. I turned on the generator at 10:30, or at 10:30 instead of midnight, because I was getting up at 5:30.
Yep.
And the generator was still going at 6 a.m.
Yep.
So.
It's on empty, but it was still going.
Oh, it was on empty?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So I was But we didn't turn on the charging. We didn't start charging the batteries until 4 a.m. So it was just the heater running on the generator for 6 hours.
Yep.
Okie dokie. I have 2 pairs of these gloves on and I can still do the screen.
There you go.
I know, they're amazing.
Coming up on a bridge. You know what bridge it is?
Core Creek.
Which?
Core Creek Bridge.
Cedar Creek Bridge, just north of Beaufort, Morehead City, on the ICW. There she is. Looks tall enough. Only has to be that tall. We'll find out when we get there.
We did it.
Yeah, baby.
Here we just saw a dolphin. Oh my god, it's right in front of the boat. Oh my god. We have a dolphin right in front of the boat. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so exciting. Where is he? Where did he go? Okay, sweetie. Okay, sweetie. Oh my god, that made my day. Okay. Okay, sweetie, thank you. I saw a dolphin today.
Quite a ways back, but there's a powerboat coming behind you.
Okay, thank you. Somebody maybe tried to call me on the VHF. I listened. It wasn't a official Coast Guard thing, and so they may have tried to call, tell me they were coming up behind me, but
Maybe.
it was too much static.
When they get close, I'll tell you, and then you can slow down.
I'm not
You want to give
slowing
them a slow
down.
pass?
They need to give us a slow pass.
Well, whatever.
Actually, it's helpful if both vessels slow down during a pass.
I mean, our radio's working.
I couldn't hear it.
Looks like he's coming on your port side.
Okay.
He's maybe a block away. Now would be a good time to slow. You want to give him a slow.
Such a dick move, man.
What?
Such a dick move.
Oh yeah, big wake, yeah. Yep. Should be a slow pass. Most people are courteous that way.
You want to put lines out?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's only 9 o'clock, right?
No, it's 10:08.
Oh, okay.
I show we're getting in about 10:46.
My watch died.
Uh-oh. Test.
Test. Yeah, I think you said starboard side, but I'm gonna flip 3 on each side.
Okay. And we might have pylons again. Like at Harchi, where you have to throw them over. I just don't know what we're going into. I don't know where I'm going, Jim.
Yeah, you're taking a right.
Doesn't look like it. Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Going under the bridge.
Okay.
Keep the red marker on your right.
I couldn't hear a fucking thing he's
I couldn't
saying.
understand him.
I got to take a bite of something. I'm not feeling well. I just need one bite. Okay, thank you.
Morehead City Yacht Basin, this is Shooting Star. I hear you loud and clear.
Okay, good, Shooting Star. Yes, if you come down that second fairway, just come on down looking on your right. There's 17. I'm down here waiting for you to get your lines. If you're going bow in, you got a finger pier on your starboard side.
Excellent. Second fairway, slip 17, tie up on the starboard, and you'll be there. And we can see the marina from where we're at.
Just jump on here and remind everyone that the furry part around the outside of the screen, the image is my down parka hoodie, all the fur that is around the camera lens.
What are you doing there, Jim?
My list of things to do on my whiteboard. I've wanted a whiteboard for so long. Because, okay, here's the dock. There's 4 pylons on each side. And here's Terry coming in to the dock. There, going that way. And coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in, coming in, until she's finally right here. There.
My boat changed shape.
Uh.
It's a shapeshifter.
And then we're tied off. Oh, no, actually, we're just a finger dock about to here, so forget this one. Oh, wait, I have an eraser.
That's it?
Forget that
Oh,
one.
that's hilarious.
Here.
Yeah.
We're tied off here, and here, and here.
Okay.
Well, actually, this one goes up here, actually. To this dock. So forget that. We're going to erase that little line right there.
You need a big eraser,
Yeah.
honey. I think I'd use a paper towel. No, a Kleenex. But no Kleenex has lotion in them. I don't know.
I think we're going to be just fine.
Okay.
But we're going to work on item number 1 right now.
Okay. Happy whiteboard, honey.
Thank you. Okay, there's Shooting Star. With a strong west wind, we're about to enter a gale with up to 50 knot winds coming. We're tied up starboard tie onto a floating dock, and she's heaving way over to the starboard side. And you can look at the mast of the boat right in front of it, which is on the other side of the dock, facing into the wind, so it's not moving like that. She's getting pushed around in the slip, which is interesting.